you can say, a handy book. It may become a handy book. And then Imam Ibn Salah quotes the statement of Imam Muslim also. Imam Muslim also says, "Laysa kullu shay'in indi sahihin wada'tuhu hahuna." Categorically, Imam Muslim said, and his statement is in the text of Sahih Muslim also. This statement which Imam Ibn Salah is quoting, this Imam Muslim has written down with his own hands in the text of Jami' as-Sahih al-Muslim. In the text of Muslim at one place, in Kitab as-Salat. In Kitab as-Salat, Imam Muslim himself has written this statement, which has been related by Imam Ibn Salah. He says, Imam Muslim says that all those ahadith which are sahih according to my knowledge, and I accept and declare them to be sahih, but I have not included all sahih ahadith in my book. So these are two clear and explicit declarations of Imam Bukhari and Imam Muslim on this particular subject. One. Now Imam Nawawi, we will take books one by one. Imam Nawawi writes in At-Taqrib page, he starts this subject from page 54, 55 up to 58. And this is Taqrib with commentary of Tadrib of Imam Jalaluddin Suyuti. But first I am quoting the text of Imam Nawawi is Taqrib. This is At-Taqrib Ma'at Tadrib. I am quoting Imam Nawawi from the text of At-Taqrib. These are the words which Imam Ibn Salah quoted, but these are repeatedly quoted by Imam Nawawi in his At-Taqrib. Imam Nawawi says, "Walam yastaw'iba as-sahiha walal tazamahu." This is a basic principle which every Imam has quoted and declared, that Imam Bukhari and Muslim both, they did not comprehend all ahadith sahiyah in their books. Walal tazamahu, and nor this was their plan and intention. They neither included all ahadith sahiyah in their books, and nor this was their intention and their program and their plan. And now the same wording which Imam Ibn Salah has given, Imam Jalaluddin Suyuti has also given in At-Tadrib. And he quotes from Imam Muslim that when he narrated a hadith in Kitab as-Salah, somebody asked, one of the students of Imam Muslim asked him, "O Imam," Imam Muslim's student asked him, "O Imam, what do you say about the hadith reported by Abu Hurairah? When Quran is recited, then you should remain silent." This is Quranic verse. When Quran is recited, then you should remain silent. Just listen to Imam. Just listen to him. One of the students of Imam Muslim asked him, "O Imam Muslim, what is your opinion about this hadith which is reported by Hazrat Abu Hurairah?" Imam Muslim said, "This hadith, according to my knowledge, is definitely sahih. This is a sahih hadith." He said categorically. Then same student asked the second question, "If this is hadith sahih according to you, then why you have not reported this hadith in your book Al-Jami' as-Sahih? Why you have left this hadith to report? Why you have not included and contained, this hadith is not contained in your book?" This was second question. This whole thing comes in Sahih Muslim's text, in Kitab as-Salah of Muslim Sharif. And Imam Muslim says, answering his second question, which I have quoted, he says that I have written this book Al-Jami' as-Sahih, and it does not mean that all those ahadith which are sahih to my knowledge, I have included all ahadith sahiha in my book Al-Jami' As-Sahih. I have taken some and I have left some of these. Otherwise it would have become a very, very voluminous book of hadith. So we have selected. So Imam Bukhari and Muslim's statements declare the fact that there are thousands and thousands of other ahadith which are definitely sahih according to Imam Bukhari and according to Imam Muslim both. And they themselves have declared, but they have not included those ahadith sahiha in their book for certain reasons. Otherwise it should have become book consisting of many volumes. This is reported by Imam Nawawi as well as Imam Suyuti. And further, quoting just what is the standard of hadith sahih, then this has been explained by Imam Ibn Salah in his Muqaddimah and Ulum al-Hadith, and the same has been reported by Imam Nawawi in Taqrib, and the same definition and the same description has been given by hundreds of Aimma of Usul al-Hadith and hundreds of authorities of the science of Hadith without any dispute and without any difference of opinion. What do they say? They say on page, Imam Nawawi writes on page 73 in At-Taqrib with At-Tadrib, that if you want to know about Hadith Sahih, Imam Ibn Salah said this thing and Imam Nawawi repeatedly is reporting the same and Imam Suyuti is interpreting the same. Aimma of Usul al-Hadith say, and I quote Imam Nawawi and Imam Ibn Salah both, they say that as-sahihu aqsamun. Now we are not talking of Hadith Hasan, we are not talking of Hadith Da'if, just we are concentrating on Hadith as-sahih, just explaining the first question, that this is not a standard to say, a standard thing, that only those ahadith which are contained in Sahih Bukhari or Sahih Muslim, they would be taken as Sahih, and which are not included in Bukhari and Muslim, they are not taken as Sahih. This would be totally wrong to say, because all Aimma of Usul al-Hadith, they unanimously agree upon the principle that there are 7 kinds of Hadith Sahih. First of all, Imam Hakim, he says there are 10 kinds of Hadith Sahih. Imam Hakim, the authority on Hadith, in his book Al-Madkhal, he writes there are 10 kinds of Hadith Sahih. 5 of these 10 kinds are unanimously agreed upon, and about the other 5 kinds of Sahih Hadith, there is difference of opinion among various Imams. So he mentions 10 categories of Hadith Sahih. 5 unanimously accepted by everyone, and about the other 5 there is some disagreement and difference of opinion among the scholars. But this standard of evaluating a Hadith Sahih or categories of Hadith Sahih, this is a unanimous standard. No Imam has ever differed with this, and you will not find a single difference of opinion and single disagreement by a single Imam in the whole history of Usul al-Hadith on that particular principle which I am quoting now. Imam Ibn Salah and Imam Nawawi says, as-sahiyyu aqsamun, there are 7 kinds. A'laha mattafaqa alayhi al-Bukhari wa Muslimun. There are 7 categories of Hadith Sahih